All right, so for those asking, what is the possible solution to black knuckles? Now, as you can see, I have been sewing for the past 15 years plus, and there is no black knuckles or whatsoever on my fingers. As you can see how clean my fingers are. There's no black knuckles, there's no black blood stain. Now, in as much as before I had this a little bit black spots on my finger, so I used a black ring. That the ring I have is black, like it's so tight. I wore that ring on this finger until it dissolved that black possible spots here. So now I want to show you what I use in cutting that helps me to avoid black knuckles. Now I use big scissors, size 12 or size 11. The sizes are being written on the body this way. Now, and look at the particular scissors I use. If you have been watching my videos, you will notice that my scissors always have this black head on it. Now, this size 12 scissors is big enough that my fingers could cross here very well and coil. By so doing, there will be no much contact with the scissors and my fingers here, this black edge. Now, but if you are using those regular small green scissors or red scissors, your fingers will not enter and there will be friction, much friction happening here. Now, even if the friction is happening here, this area is coated with rubber and it will not allow your finger to touch the iron edge. So this helps me to have a bolder hold of my fabrics, and especially if you used to cut every day or you cut layers of fabric, I will advise you get either size 12 scissors, size 11 scissors, or the electric cutter. But if you don't have money to buy electric cutter, there's no problem. You can use this size 12 scissors and you feel the weightiness, the heaviness of these scissors, and it will help you to do your work very intelligently, and there will be no room for black knuckles on your fingers. Now, most people do say that this scissors is so heavy and they cannot carry it, but then the importance of these scissors is way much than the disadvantages, or like the heaviness of it. So if you use it, you will tend to have free fingers that doesn't have knuckles or whatsoever. I think I have also made a video on this initially, and I just want to throw more light on this. So don't use less than size 11 or let's say size 10. Make sure you use either this particular Jinjian scissors or you use the pin scissors, the red one that has red and that comes with cutter. So either this or the pin scissors is ideal, but the most important thing here is a size 12 and it must have a black rubber coating round the metal edge. So I do hope this video will go a long way to save someone out there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.